Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. Today, I'm very happy, guys. I'll be showing you just about how you can be able to take your trading to the next level, how you can be able to multiply your accounts, and you'll be seeing it in this channel. So without wasting much time, guys, become part of the family, subscribe, click the like, click the notification bell, and always make sure you share with your friends and family so that they can also get the knowledge that I give on this channel. That's all we need, guys. Let's take this video to 1,000 likes. Let's go into the charts. Yes, I'm on my favorite platform, the charts. As you know, guys, I love sharing the knowledge on the chart. Just by looking at this, guys, how many of you can predict or understand where we knew where the market was going? I'll urge you to understand the mere concept that whenever you are trading the indices, we are now on USDT, make sure that you execute in 15 minutes or 1 hour, not higher than that or anything less, unless you can be able to understand spot the fake outs. Because I've seen many people, they forced to take their trades on 5 minutes, but they cannot put their stop loss in the right place, so they end up being stopped up quickly. So how did we know that this was supposed to push up? We knew because you need to understand where you are in the market, right? Can you see this? The market was coming from the top, right? So by this having this, you can at most see that the market is breaking, is trying to break the high here. And how would you know that? By this previous move, impulse, then we had what? A correction, then boom. So guys, make sure you understand the impulse, correction, impulse, because that will definitely assist you in becoming a better trader. You'll be able to spot all these fake outs and be able to understand that the market indeed is seeing a significant area here, and where you should be putting your stop loss, right? So always make sure you are able to separate the patterns. Pattern separation works wonders with indices. Let's look for another one. We're now on 15 minutes. You see, another one will be this one. Then how you would know the last candle here will be this one. Zoom in. Can do this, yes, and then have something like this. Can wait for a break. Your stop loss will sufficiently be below here. Perfect. So let's look. You can also look for others. You can see here we had a short flag, bullish flag, and boom, market pushed. Sometimes you can rather wait for the break so that you have reduced risk entries that are confirmed. But always remember that it's not uh, a book kind of trades that always it will happen that way. Sometimes you just see the market moving without giving you an alert. So it's always good to also have your pending orders. You can have your buy stops. Then this one, obviously, you can see they induced people here. The induced people at this point pushed a little bit. You can see pushed a little bit. So don't be squeezing your stop loss. Give it a little bit of a room. Risk well, understand the method of risking. So can you see that you'll be going up, having all those different types of analysis, and you'll be able to understand the mistakes that you always make when you are trading. So let's look at the US 30 again on a higher time frame. Okay. So can you see that we have this big move that we still anticipating to push up to this supply area? But if we break this one, I expect the market to do what? I expect the market to keep on pushing up, creating what? A new high. So I'm saying something like this, create a new high. Obviously, something like this, and you can have something like high, higher low, higher high. So this is what I'm expecting to happen currently on USDT Wall Street. So let's look at how you would attack this one, because now it has moved. So let's go to 1 hour. Fine. So now we have this. We have seen that it has moved. Then this, we remove this. As I always mention, that don't marry trend lines, guys. Don't ever marry trend lines. Whenever you see a move happening, always have at the back of your mind that it can go either way. But as long as you follow your risk management, your trading plan, you'll always be ahead with your wins than your losses. So you can see that we pushed, but then now, as I've explained, we pushed here close. We haven't reached this point. I expect the market to come here where this will be our TP, right? So at this point, you should be having your stop loss around this point here, because you don't want to be having it too close, and then you find that what the market will do will just go a little bit, then tap you, then push further to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting on the market. I expect the market to keep on pushing up and break this, come back. Let's do this. The market to do something like this. Obviously, some people here, it might cause something like this. People might think that it's going down. Then this is what I'm expecting the market to do, right? Because of this, I'm gonna draw my line here. Because of this, and you see this areas here, significant areas, and also this one as well. I expect the market to play around here between these two prices before it can break and push. So this will be my at most second entry, something like this. I'll have a second entry, and then the stop loss. Obviously, this one is still running. Okay, stop loss just have to be a little bit, just something like this. But if we push around this point, around this bottom, then I like to have my stop loss below this box, below this box. This will be my zone where I'm expecting a move to push to the upside again, but it must push a little bit, come play around here, retrace a little bit to give us another entry. If it doesn't retrace, push it, then you have our entry obviously on top there, because the market cannot just push up without giving us entries. And also it needs to come down to take out the people that have entered wrongly, or the people that have put their stop losses too tight. So this is just what we're looking at USD, US Wall Street. Make sure, guys, you are following and you took down notes so that you can be able to apply the knowledge that I share with you. Also here, I was showing you the break and it retest here at this point. Obviously here you can see that this was a very strong what? Demand zone, and then you'd have your what? You'd have your support here. So can you see the difference? There's a support, and then might have another support here. But look where the demand is. Price is playing mostly around here, where you'll be able to recognize and see those last bearish candles, because now we are in a bullish. So you can see that your this point, if we use this one, you have this big structure. So can you see? So the demand or the zones are an area. So the mostly the support and resistance lines, they go inside or sometimes outside. Is where the market left last price. So I hope you could understand what I preached today, and thank you for coming in. I'm glad you show your support, guys. This channel is for you, and catch me in the next video. Peace.